I remember having fun when I was in a Montessori, whereas my husband went through a routine schooling experience and then he never liked it. So both of us kind of settled down on sending them to Montessori, and it has been rewarding so far.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sushant Swami and this is Dr. Tejaswini Dande. So we are parents of twin children, Brahmi and Kalki. Our children have been with ILM since they were about 2 years old. Been very reassuring to see the way that they have been learning to read, possibly write, count, and every time I come here to see what my kids are doing, I'm a lot more surprised because they let on very little about what they've learned at school, at home. So I would be continuing with ILM for a reasonable amount of time.
Basically, I have gone to a Montessori almost 30 years back. So I was a staunch believer of Montessori all through. I've always wanted to send my children to a Montessori school because I remember having fun when I was in a Montessori, whereas my husband went through a routine schooling experience and then he never liked it. So both of us kind of settled down on sending them to Montessori, and it has been rewarding so far. They have been having fun. They feel that they're playing at school, but then they are learning so much more at school. So we are really grateful for ILM. I think the Montessori environment, like it always propagates, independent learning and sensory learning and practical learning rather than rote learning, and that has always been the case when my children go to ILM Montessori. That's what they are learning as well. The teachers have been very kind towards our children and they have been teaching them well, so we are really grateful for them. Montessori method is something that allows the child to grow in a safe environment, in an environment where they are interacting with all kinds of children. They are learning things practically, so I would recommend ILM to everyone.